Using Canva is as simple as it is. I'll advise if you are a beginner that you should use Canva, and it is very simple, especially when you're using it to do your thumbnail for YouTube. So just go with me while I show you how to use Canva to edit. You can tweak whatever you want to tweak. You don't need to go to Pro for now. Just keep using the free version and edit very well. Edit your YouTube thumbnail without stress.
So you can download it on Play Store. You can download Canva on Play Store. For me, I already have it on my screen. I already have it on my device. So I'll just go ahead to Canva and click on Canva. Alright, so this is me clicking on Canva now. Alright, so this is it. Just click on Canva on Play Store and you get it. So this is Canva. I click on Canva and it takes me to this place. These are designs I have made over time, but I want us to replicate this particular design that is here right now. This particular one is what we are going to replicate right now. Okay, so just come on this search bar here. Alright, this top bar here. We're working on YouTube thumbnail. Want to work on how to design YouTube thumbnail. So you just click on YouTube thumbnail. They will give you series of templates you can work with YouTube thumbnail, and you go ahead to search. Alright, for me, I already have YouTube thumbnail icon, search whatever here already. So I'll just have to go click on YouTube thumbnail. Pam. Okay, so that is it. It is rolling. Dun, the bridge is falling down. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it is opening. I'm using a tab, so it's kind of slow. Alright, so here we have it. So at this left side, you see design, element, text, gallery, browse, upload, draw, projects. You are working with all of this. So now we're on design now, and under this you see templates. You have pro templates, we have free templates. Alright, so let's assume you are a travel blogger, tourism or something. So let's do something simple. Let's use this one right here. So you just click on how to, this one that says how to color grade. Let's click on it. Let's make use of this template. I think it looks simple. We just want to do something simple here. Alright, so now I'll go over to gallery. Alright, gallery, click on gallery, and images you have saved on your phone will just pop up. So let's go search for the image that might probably fit this purpose. Alright, so I'm scrolling. It's a bucket full of roses, high, is the heart get down. Okay, I think I seen one. I think I like this one. Click on it and then you click on add to pages. This here, add to page, and you click on add to page. Okay, you click on add to page and it comes out like this. It adds to your page. Just long press on the image and drag it. Long press on the image, Alright, so I'll just carry the image like this, and press on it and drag it, and see how it fits perfectly into the box. It fits perfectly into that box. The shape is going to give it to you on point. So I can just adjust. Let me just adjust this a bit to this side and to this side. You can see, wow, beautiful. I'm a beautiful girl. Just adjust it like this. Alright, so now let's go over to the text. We could actually bring in another image for this other side, but I think I want to make use of this particular image. So at the right side, this one, yeah, so let's just leave it. Let's focus on the text. We want to make it simple as possible, simple but catchy. This box here that came into, I don't want it, so I'm just going to click on delete and it goes off. So now for this how to color grade this text, I just click on effects right up here. Okay, I'll click on effect. Okay, and I'll just go over to background, and it gives me the background. If you want to change the color, you come down here, you see that you can change the color from black background, but I just love this black background like that. Okay, so I'm going to go back and click on it so that I can edit my text. Let's say travel let's say travel with ease today. Travel with ease today. Think I don't know if it's catchy. I think it's okay. Travel with ease today. Okay, and then you can come down here, come down, do like I don't know, what can we do here? Okay, maybe we should just leave it like that. Travel with ease. You can tweak it whatever you want to do. So here we have it, travel with ease. So I just want to adjust it and click on this and it brings it down. Okay, if you want to adjust the text, I want it to be bigger than this, just come up here to adjust font, click on the plus sign to give you more of it. Alright, so I think this is how it's looking. I want to preview it. Okay, I have to adjust this image a bit more. Click on it and you adjust. You have to drag so that red is showing covers. Wow, nice. But I bring it back here. Yes, we are good. This travel, just have to probably come down. Yeah, good. Travel with ease today. Okay, let me make it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, and I increase the font a bit. See, travel with ease today. Simple. Wow, this looks so simple and catchy. You can use this for your thumbnail. So let's assume that we want the YouTube icon to come in at this moment. So we'll just go over to elements, click on elements here by the left, and you click on elements. And I need just click on YouTube icon. So you're going to get the pro versions, you get the free versions as well. Alright, so go on the graphics and just pick on one that is free. Use this. Just drag it. Once you click on it, just drag it and then take it to wherever you want to take it. So that's where I want to position it. So I have travel with ease today, or you can say travel all over the world with Jessica without stress. Travel using the Qatar airline. Book your traveling today with whatever. Traveling made easy. You want to go to Europe, follow this route. A lot of catchy notes, but it's just for illustration purpose. So we are using travel with ease today. Alright, so this is it. Simple. You can tweak. There are different things. See here, draw, project, apps, audio. You want to add, video editing. We'll do future videos on that. Alright, you can see. So now we'll just have to save it. So you just come here to share. Alright, and then click save as. Right, and then you download. Pam, you click on download and it is going to be saved to your gallery.
Alright, so you can see that it is very simple, that it is quite simple. So I'll be doing other videos on, advanced things for you to do. If you have advanced editing to do, video editing, I'll make other videos as regard that. Alright, but for now, at least you know how to create your YouTube thumbnail, and a very simple one. You do not need it to be very busy. If you want it to be busy, you can tweak it the way you want. All right, so make sure you like, you share, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.